Hello everyone, this is Rashmi Sinha and you're watching me again on my very own channel. So here I'm back with my another very important informative video where I'm going to let you know about the ICSE new updates for year 2022 boards, right? This is going to applicable for both the classes class 10 and 12, and this bifurcated syllabus you can check on CISCEORG.com. By this site you can check on Google, and I will also put in my description that you can check the link. So according to this syllabus pattern, as the CBSE has done, CBSE has divided the both the portion in two different parts, and they said to the student they have to sit for two exams. So we have also like that, ICSE also going to do the same. 2 semesters they are going to take, the first semester and second semester. You can call first semester first board exam and second semester second board exam. This is going to be held in the month of November, and this exam is going to be held in the month of March or maybe April. They will let you know the date before that. Now what's the biggest change? This exam, the first exam, is in a form of MCQ. So it's a multiple choice question pattern, like in a Google form or any other way they'll take. And in this, they have divided the portion also. 50% portion will be covered in this exam, which is in the month of November. This is this year 2021. And this exam will be in a descriptive questions, descriptive and also offline. And this exam is in online they will conduct, because we don't know the what will be the situation in future. So they decided to take this first semester, which is MCQ exam, online exam, in the month of November. 50% syllabus will come. In this video I will let you know about computer portion, because this my channel is for computers, so I will let you know about the computer portion. Rest portion you can check, I'll put in the description, where you can go to this site and you will check other subjects also. This is actually a good news for student, because they have to cover only 50% portion till the month of November, which what they are going to include I'll let you know. And the rest portion will be completed by the month of March. So the second exam will be offline and in a descriptive form, correct? So hope you get it, this pattern. By this way the ICC will be getting benefits, so that they are not going to take the previous year marks. They are not going to take this marks, previous year marks, or any school exams that they are taking the nominal exams. They are not going to conduct these exams. They are not going to ask for these marks, because in 2021 it was a very messy, the results was very messy and very difficult for the ICSE also to take the results. So that they decided this pattern to take 2 semesters. First will be in November 2021, second will be in the month of March 2022. Okay, so this will be the final. And what they will do, this marks will also carry in computer. I'm saying in computer, this is the, just a second. Okay, if we'll talk about computers, so in that case, computers portion, okay, what they will do, they will take 100 marks of exam in first semester, 100 marks exam in the first sem, which is your first board exam. Okay, and as well and the projects will be also considered, the projects will be, assignments will be also considered. So you all have to submit to the schools your project and assignment before the month of November. So this is going to be taken, and in the second time again 100 marks exam they will conduct, which is second semester, or you can say second board exam. Okay, what they will do, they will take 50 marks from here and 50 marks from here. You can say average of both the marks they will do in accordingly. So that average marks will be considered as your board exam marks. Okay, so no previous year marks or 9th class marks will be taken like this year has taken. So for 2020 students, 2022 board examinees, please make sure that your this exam, which is going to be held in month of November and March, is very important. Now I'm let you know about the portion about computer, but before that I just clear about class 9 and class 11. If we talk about class 9 and 11, those who are in 2021 batch, right now they are currently in class 9 and 11, please make sure that your portion has not decreased, not reduced. You have to study full 2023 for 2023 all portion, okay, all syllabus you have to कंप्लीट. आपका कोई पोर्शन अभी रिड्यूस नहीं हुआ, ऐसी कोई नोटिफिकेशन नहीं है. सो यू हैव टू स्टडी फॉर 2023 द कंप्लीट पोर्शन. एंड ऐसे भी क्लास 9 का पोर्शन, क्लास 11 का पोर्शन विल बी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर क्लास 10 and class 12. So you just go ahead with your portion. So if any kind of notification will come, I'll definitely let you know. Right now you have no change in your portion, you have to study full book, okay. This information came in the 6th August ICSC official page. If you'll check the 6th August official page, you'll find this. Now we'll come to the computer portion. Okay, if we'll see the portion for first semester in computers, which is going to held in month of November, okay, 2021, and MCQ questions will come, and this is a online exam. This is an online exam, okay. So in this exam, you have to cover 4 chapters. The first chapter is revision of previous year, revision of class 9. Everything you have to revise from class 9 book, which we have completed already. Mostly schools have completed. Secondly, you have to complete class as the basis of all computation. Class, this lesson you have to complete class as the basis of, all computation. This chapter, अब आप सोचेंगे कि how the questions will come. So the questions, they will create a output. Maybe output questions will come, maybe programming will not come, but output question will surely come. Third chapter is user defined, which is a long chapter, and hopefully you are getting in my channel also. You can get so many videos of user defined chapters for class 9 and 10. Please go through, and if you have any query, please write it down. So user defined method will come in this term, in the month of November, the first semester, and the last chapter is constructor. So this much you have to complete. So it's a good news, kind of good news, because you have not to complete the whole book. You have to only complete these 4 chapters in computers. That is class as the basis of all computation, revision of class 9, जो कि आप कर भी चुके हो, and then user defined method and constructor. अब MCQ question pattern will only ask you 1 mark questions, okay, 1 mark questions. So no programming will come, means in a form of programming will not come, but in a form of output question they may come. Now for next semester, which is in the month of March, what will come? If you'll see the portion for second semester, which is the second board exam, which is going to held in March 2020, March or April, chances will be March or April, anyone. Okay, so here you have to complete library functions. Library functions, please write it down and make sure कि आपका ये सब ready हो जाए. And then you have to complete encapsulation. Third, you have to complete the array. The reduced portion you already know. I had that video already in my channel. Please go through. And the last is string handling. In this exam, all the questions will be asked in a form of programming, and projects you have to submit by the month of project. Practical you have to submit whatever you made for your computers. Please submit by the end of November. Before end of November, maybe that marks will be considered. So please make sure that your first term examination, which is going to be first semester in a 2021 November, please make sure that you are going to prepare very nicely for this. This exam is very, very important. If you will lose marks in this exam, maybe the ICC council will double it or do something else. So in that case, you will be in problem. So don't only believe the second exam, just believe the first, which is very close to you. And all the best, and please go through my channel. You will get a lot of computer videos so that it will be very helpful for you. Till then, stay safe, stay home, take care. We'll meet in the next video. Bye bye.